how the client's decision-making process looks like, how to get people to say yes, how to close every deal, and how to become a real closer. My name is Pavel. I have been in sales for over 15 years. I built a network of contact and sales from scratch several times in my career in a highly competitive European market for companies operating in the industrial sector. If you are looking for real information and advice, please subscribe and let's get started with our video topic. Research shows that most of our decisions are made unconsciously and involve emotions. Emotions are the driving force behind our actions. Logic only justifies our emotionally made decisions. If someone can't feel emotions, he can't make decisions. If you want to be a real closer, rather than just making logical arguments, you should focus on how your clients feel about the decision and fit his feelings. People buy when they feel confident. However, the feeling of certainty is subjective. It's not necessarily based on the amount of information you provided. Habit-based decisions don't require a lot of information. If you give too many choices, then your client probably won't make any decisions. If you want people to take an action, then you need to make them feel confident. If client is feeling hesitation about making a wrong decision, then your message should be more about making him feel secure and safe rather than about product features. Amplifying the pain in the case that client is not sure whether he should buy or not, and lower the pain threshold when the client feels high level of uncertainty. Decision-making process is unconscious, but that doesn't mean people don't need logical arguments to support their feelings. Provide your clients brief and logical reasons so they can use that to tell themselves and others why they decide to buy. Selling is the transfer of emotions, so if you want the client to feel confident about you and your product, you must reflect confidence yourself. Arouse emotions, feed those that favor your goals, listen attentively, show empathy, make your client feel confident. In other words, make the client believe that his life will become better when he will decide to buy your product and feel discomfort, or even that his life will get worse if he doesn't make a purchase. Listen carefully to what he says. Understand his concerns and fears. Gain his trust, make him feel confident with the decision he made, and you will close every sale. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch other related videos on how to evoke the desired emotion in sales. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.